Hey there, it's Bryan Caplan, your dedicated trainer for the Grow with Google program, and I've got a quick productivity tip that I wanted to share with you. You ready? Here we go. So let's say you're with a client or you're on the phone and you have to take down notes, but you can't find a notepad, you don't have a pen, everything's gone, no post-it notes. What are you going to do? Well, if you have your web browser, and specifically if you have Chrome, Google Chrome, and you're signed into your Google account, I'm going to show you an easy way to open up a brand new document with just a few keystrokes. So hey everyone, it's Bryan here, your dedicated trainer for the Grow with Google program, and one of my goals is to increase your productivity, to save you time and make you more efficient so you can get more done and ultimately build that bigger, better biz I'm always talking about. Well, today's no exception. I'm going to show you how you can use Google Docs and a really quick shortcut to create a brand new Google Doc from scratch without having to go to Google Docs, to google.com/docs, to search in Google to how to find it. Really, really simple. So here we go. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up a brand new browser window or tab. And in the address URL, you're simply going to type in docs.new. When you do, it creates a brand new untitled document that you can start writing your notes in. But wait, there's more. If you continued watching, I'm going to show you if you need to create a brand new spreadsheet. Let's say you have to do some quick calculations and don't have a good calculator app. Sheets.new. Oh, but wait, there's more. Let's say that you have to put some slides together, or you want to take a bunch of images and text and dump it so that you can start thinking about it a little bit more. Slides.new. All three of these create brand new, untitled, blank documents, blank canvas for you to become productive and manage your time more efficiently. Hopefully this tech tip helped. Until next time, I'm Bryan Caplan. Stay well, stay healthy, stay happy, and here's to your success.